A voided check is simply a check with the word void written across it in large letters, making it completely unusable for any actual payment. This simple action transforms a standard check into a secure document. The primary purpose of a voided check is to securely share your Wells Fargo account and routing numbers. These numbers are printed along the bottom of every check and are essential for setting up direct deposits, automatic bill payments, and electronic transfers. Using a voided check is much safer than sharing your account details verbally or in writing, because even if someone else gets hold of it, they cannot cash it or use it for unauthorized transactions. You'll typically need a voided check when starting a new job to set up payroll direct deposit, when arranging automatic payments with service providers like utilities or insurance companies, or when transferring funds electronically between accounts. Wells Fargo offers multiple convenient ways to obtain a voided check, accommodating different customer preferences and levels of technological access. Wells Fargo provides three main methods for obtaining a voided check. First, through their online banking. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account at wellsfargo.com. Navigate to Accounts, then Order Checks, and select Voided Checks. Follow the prompts to order, and it will be mailed to your registered address for a fee. Second method is through the Wells Fargo mobile app. Go to Pay and Transfer and select Order Checks. You can choose to receive a digital PDF version instantly via email or have a physical check mailed to you. Again, for a fee, unless you have a premium account. Third method is visiting a Wells Fargo branch with a valid photo ID. A teller can print a voided check for you on the spot or order one to be mailed. This option is helpful if you need immediate assistance or prefer in-person service. Remember, the cost is $5 for digital and mailed checks unless you have a premium account, and always ensure the check is securely delivered, especially if choosing the digital option.